Hi, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is listening. Now, when it comes to listening, I want to put forward a thought to you. Usually people are not listening for a couple of reasons. Mainly, they are thinking a few steps ahead the whole time, or they're trying to link back, how can my solution help the client? So basically, their headspace is very inward on their own product, service or solution and not present and outward with the client. So I pose to you to think of yourself when you see a client. Obviously you need to know your product, service and solution, of course, but then put that away and now be truly present. The moment you're present with your client, your listening increases because your empathy level increases. If you've got to stand in their shoes and understand their situation, their problems, their challenges, their competitors, their clients, if that's the case, if you really want to understand that, you've got to have your blinkers off and be totally present. You will find that alone means your listening increases. And of course, to ensure that you've heard correctly, when it comes through to your solution, just check you've heard correctly. Repeat back key things they've told you and ensure that you've understood what they mean by that by giving maybe some other scenarios to check that you've got the right solution in mind. So the key is when it comes to listening, don't be inward focused on your product, service or solution, but be present with your client and what they need from you. And your listening will increase because your empathy increases. If you found this useful, then do share. If you'd like to leave a comment about listening, then comment below. And if you'd like more tips on how to listen to your client and active listening in general, then subscribe below. This is Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.